Shenzhen Damu Technology Company, Limited was established in 2019 with a registered capital of 5 million yuan. It is located in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province, close to Guangzhou Port and Shenzhen Port. With convenient transportation, Damu is a manufacturing and processing enterprise. The company has 1 fiber optic equipment production line, 6 fiber optic patch cord production lines, and 3 PLC splitter production lines. It has 12 years of fiber optic equipment experience and a complete production and sales system. Damu mainly produces indoor fiber optic cables, outdoor fiber optic cables, optical fiber patch cord, PLC splitter, optical fiber polishing machine, polishing fixture, etc. It strictly controls every production process and provides high precision and high specification products to meet customer needs. Damu provides OEM, ODM services. Products meet the customized processing needs of China mainland and foreign customers. Damu serves customers with exquisite craftsmanship, excellent quality and professional pre-sales and after-sales. 24 hours online answers to provide you with professional services. Damu is willing to be the cornerstone of your career. Products are mainly sold to Colombia, Mexico, Ukraine, Canada, Britain, France, Myanmar, Vietnam and other countries and regions. The company has a detailed after-sales service system, so you have no worries about purchasing. Welcome to visit Damu.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.